You don't need to be a financial whiz to master your money. You don't need expensive software either. With the power of free AI tools, anyone can take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. This essay will show you how. We'll explore simple, practical steps to manage your budget effectively using AI. This isn't about complicated jargon or confusing spreadsheets. It's about harnessing the power of AI to simplify your financial life. We'll be using readily available free tools like ChatGPT and Google Sheets. These tools are designed for everyone, regardless of your tech skills. Let's get started. Imagine having a personal budgeting assistant available 24/7. That's what ChatGPT can be for you. ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot that can understand and respond to your requests in natural language. Think of it as your friendly financial advisor, always ready to help. You can ask ChatGPT anything related to budgeting. Need help creating a budget from scratch? ChatGPT can do it. Want to find ways to save money on groceries? ChatGPT has got you covered. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Let's get down to business and create your budget with ChatGPT. Start by giving ChatGPT clear and specific instructions. For example, you can say, create a monthly budget for me. My monthly income is $2,500. My rent is $1,000, and I spend about $200 on groceries. ChatGPT will then generate a personalized budget based on your input. It will categorize your expenses, calculate your income and expenses, and even suggest areas where you can potentially save. You can further refine your budget by asking ChatGPT follow-up questions or making adjustments based on your needs. Now that you have a budget, let's make it come alive with Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a free, web-based spreadsheet program that seamlessly integrates with ChatGPT. This integration allows you to automate your budgeting process and track your finances effortlessly. Simply copy and paste the budget generated by ChatGPT into Google Sheets. You can then use Google Sheets formulas and functions to automatically track your income and expenses. For instance, you can link your bank account to Google Sheets to automatically import your transactions. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures your budget is always up to date. While ChatGPT and Google Sheets provide a solid foundation for AI-powered budgeting, you can enhance your experience with optional tools like Notion and Tiller. Notion is a versatile note-taking app that can be used to create a visual budget tracker. Tiller is a service that connects your bank accounts to Google Sheets, automating transaction imports and providing advanced budgeting features. These tools offer additional functionality and customization options, allowing you to tailor your budgeting experience to your preferences. ChatGPT isn't just about creating budgets, it can also help you optimize your spending. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, what are some ways to save money on groceries? Or, find me the cheapest mobile phone plan with at least 10 gigabytes of data. ChatGPT will analyze vast amounts of data to provide you with personalized recommendations. It can help you find discounts, compare prices, and identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your lifestyle. By leveraging ChatGPT's insights, you can make informed decisions about your spending and stretch your budget further.